On the other side, ladies and gentlemen, we shift our focus to more allegations of prejudice and discrimination, this time within the Congress party. And at the receiving end of the ire here are the minority leaders, both in the party and out of it. The fires were first lit by Shakil Ahmed, former union minister who quit Congress after polling in Bihar. He has since been on a post-mortem spree. In the latest attack, he branded Rahul Gandhi a coward and insecure leader who is dictatorial in his functioning. Then came Rashid Alvi, who said that Muslims were being neglected within the party, and therefore parties like AIMIM were growing. Remember, AIMIM's rise in Bihar and Maharashtra has shown that Congress's minority vote bank were being eaten into. Shown the mirror, what did the Congress do next? The party ridiculed the critics, labeling them betrayers, backstabbers and rotten potatoes in their vegetable garden. Shakil Ahmed even claimed threats of attack to his own house, allegedly on instructions from the Delhi leadership. The question, viewers, is what happened to the Congress with the Congress and its Muslims, and are Muslims our Congress? What happened to that binary that existed is the question many are asking. Listen.
राहुल जी से ज्यादा इनसिक्योर लीडर पॉलिटिशियन मैंने अपने लाइफ में नहीं देखा। दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, एक तो जो जिसको आप देहाती जबान में धरती पकड़ कह सकते हैं, जो इलाके में जिसका असर रसूख हो, और एक जो है जो शाइनिंग ब्राइट है, जो लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करता है। ऐसे दोनों लोगों को वो पसंद नहीं करते हैं। यूथ कांग्रेस के लोगों ने ही फोन करना शुरू किया कि सर दिल्ली से ऑर्डर आया है, आपके खिलाफ पुतला दहन करना है और आपके घर पर, मधुबनी और पटना के घर पे हमला करना है, अटैक करना है। तो हमने पुलिस वालों को खबर, सीएम के खबर कर दिया और जगह खबर कर दिया।
2015 से बात चल रही है, बैच ऑफ बिट्रेस होते हैं ये लोग, बैच ऑफ जयचंद होते हैं। इस साल का बैच ऑफ जयचंद और बैच ऑफ बिट्रेस स्टार्ट हो गए, और हमारा शकील भाई और बीएसपी का एक पुराना नेता राशिद भाई, उसमें वो दोनों शामिल हुए।
कांग्रेस ने जब किसी भी व्यक्ति को एक हद से ज्यादा दिया, वही पीठ में खंजर घोंपते हैं। ये कांग्रेस का इतिहास है। ऐसे लोग सिर्फ यही कही जा सकते हैं कि ये लोग मानसिक दिवालियापन के शिकार हैं, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं।
देखिए, जो सड़ा हुआ आलू होता है वो ढेरी से बाहर हो जाता है, उसका कोई महत्व नहीं रह जाता।
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate with Shekhar Iyer and Sanjay Jha are Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP, Ashwini Kumar Mishra, leader of the Congress party. And Ashwini Kumar Mishra, क्या हो गया है कांग्रेस पार्टी को? अपने इतने पराये लगने लगे कि अब there are, according to Shakil Ahmed Saab, there are instructions to even attack his house only because he's showing the mirror to the Congress party. क्या गलत कह दिया उन्होंने? उन्होंने कहा कि पार्टी में सब ठीक नहीं चल रहा, आत्ममंथन की जरूरत है। The democratic party that the Congress is, and as you claim it is, what happened to its मोहब्बत की दुकान? Now you are spreading hate to your own leaders?
Navika ji, this is not the first time when we have seen Congress leader has succumbed to BJP's pressure and joined BJP's, and their आत्मा जागती है कांग्रेस छोड़ने के बाद में. One city example here is Shehzad Poonawalla, who was also in Congress and joined BJP later on. I don't know what offer he got from BJP parties. So there has been ample number of leaders who left Congress and joined multiple other parties, and then they are talking about nonsense. I mean, Rahul Gandhi and insecurities. If Rahul Gandhi wanted, he could have become the PM in 2004, 2009. He is the one who is speaking for the people, who's fighting for the people's right. And जब जिसको कुछ मिलता नहीं है तो बाहर आकर के ये लोग जो है सिर्फ और सिर्फ कांग्रेस को बदनाम करने का काम करते हैं. हमने देखा उससे पहले 25 लोगों में से 23 लोग कांग्रेस ज्वाइन कर लिए, जिन कांग्रेस छोड़ के बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर लिए, जिनके यहाँ पर ईडी गई. तो must be some pressure
शकील
from
अहमद के यहाँ
Bharatiya
ईडी
Janata
गई है
Party,
क्या?
who knows what political
शकील
party
अहमद जी
what
के यहाँ ईडी गई है क्या? आई हैव नॉट सीन एनी एविडेंस ऑफ दैट. न्यूज में अगर होता तो हमें पता चल ही जाता. आई हैव अ टीम कवरिंग द ईडी. ईडी तो गई नहीं है. एंड अश्विनी जी, दिस इज द सुपर सीरियसनेस. 2004, 2009, Rahul Gandhi could have become PM. My friend, 2004, he contested for the first time, and it was Sonia Gandhi who was in the consideration of becoming a PM, and उन्होंने त्याग दिया था. राहुल गांधी लाइन में भी नहीं थे. आपने तय कर दिया. अरे भैया, तब आपके दूध के दांत नहीं टूटे थे. हम लोग खड़े थे पार्लियामेंट के बाहर, कवर कर रहे थे सेंट्रल हॉल में. ठीक है ना? तो अपने फैक्ट चेक करके आया करिए. दूसरी बात, 2009 was the first time Manmohan Singh was the prime ministerial face. Am I wrong, Shehzad Poonawalla? But why are facts on holiday today just because Ashwini ji has to defend Rahul Gandhi?
Navika, first of all, it is a deja vu moment for me. 9 years ago in this studio itself, I had come and had done the same khulasa which Shakil Ahmed ji has done today. चलिए, शकील अहमद जी को भी,
आप भी माइनॉरिटी से,
मैं भी माइनॉरिटी से, और ये इस्लामोफोबिया नहीं होता है. हमें कच्चा आलू, पक्का आलू, सड़ा आलू, मानसिक दिवालियापन, जयचंद बोलना, ये सब कोशर है. एनीवेज, चलिए, शकील अहमद जी को बीजेपी का ऑफर आया, मुझे बीजेपी का ऑफर आया. भाई, संजय झा को दिखाना, प्रोड्यूसर साहब, वो संजय झा को दिखाना. एक आर्टिकल लिखा, बेचारा अभी तक सस्पेंडेड एनिमेशन में. अभी बताइए, संजय झा जी ने क्या ले लिया? वो तो उन्होंने बीजेपी भी नहीं ज्वाइन की. तीसरी बात, मैडम, शशि थरूर puts the nation first, humiliated and threatened. Shehzad puts party first, humiliated, threatened. Shakil Ahmed puts party first, humiliated, threatened. Sajjad Jha puts party first, humiliated, suspended. Matlab, this is the democracy model. Point number 1. Point number 2, Navika ji, look at the long list. Now, Mohammad Mukim, what did he say? Priyanka lao, Rahul hatao. Nothing anti-party. He has been taken out of the party. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Gulam Nabi Azad. Congress hates Hindus.
जितिन प्रसादा, ज्योतिरादित्य
सिंधिया, उसके लिए पूरी एक आवर की डिबेट, 1 hour की डिबेट लगेगी कम से कम.
गुलाम नबी आजाद.
But Navika ji, now the new matrix is, because your line is that Congress equals Muslims खत्म हो गया है क्या? No, Navika. Congress, please Ashwini ji, it's a very limited debate. I request you one by one. Congress hates Hindus and uses Muslims. They want Muslim vote, not the Muslim voter. They want कि अली अकबर जो है ये सिर्फ दरी बिछाए. Now Rashid Alvi is saying कि भाई मुसलमानों की अनदेखी हो रही है. गुलाम नबी आजाद, नसीम सिद्दीकी, शहजाद पूनावाला, मोहम्मद मुकीम, रोशन बेग, how many examples are there? And ma'am, lastly, I just want to say the problem is with Rahul, and I am not the only one. Shakil Ahmed is not the only one saying it, ma'am. IP Singh, Ravidas Mehrotra, TMC, Omar Abdullah, Supriya Sure, Janmat, which has defeated him 95 times, Imran Masood, Digvijay Singh, Shashi Tharoor, Janpat, and even now Sangat. तो तीनों राहुल के साथ नहीं है, पर ये कोसते किसको है? शकील अहमद को.
Well, Sanjay Jha, I want to ask you, is it a coincidence that another lot of leaders, just for pointing out to the problems within the Congress party, are now facing the music? In fact, what I found amazing was the WhatsApp chat in the Congress group that Shakil Ahmed ji put out, that his house should be attacked. Now, is this democracy? Even the mention of the fact that there should be introspection or improvement in the functioning of the Congress party is absolutely unbearable within the Congress party?
Navika, I need to be very candid. Looking at the environment in this country, and you and I have debated this on Times Now itself, calls for genocide, amount of hate speeches. You have seen, what's happening in Uttarakhand and Assam, in Uttar Pradesh, the bulldozer politics. It's been ugly, it's been vicious. I think the minorities in this country are getting pulverized into smithereens.
Tagore has said you are batch of 2018.
Yeah, just a minute. Shehzad, just a minute.
But you have been called batch of 2018, Jaychand.
That's all right. I just believe that the Congress party is politically got to be a lot more bolder. This is the time to proudly say that we are secular. We are going to be protecting the minorities who are... Just a minute, Shehzad, don't interrupt, man. All I'm going to say is this is the time for the Congress party to actually be more imaginative and bold. Please do not fall into the trap of the BJP, where if you support the Muslims...
I get you, Sanjay Jha. But where is the BJP in all of this? Shakil Ahmed, nothing to do with the BJP. Rashid Alvi, nothing to do with the BJP. Shashi Tharoor, well, maybe, but he's speaking his mind. He's still part of the Congress party. The BJP hasn't given him an offer. Why would you not listen to?
Why are you forgetting Sanjay Jha? What did he do?
Just one article in the Times of India. That was it.
But Navika, here is the point. I mean, I'm actually agreeing with you here and partially even with Mr. Poonawalla today evening. The Congress needs to embrace the fact that this constitution guarantees everybody in this country an equality. And that includes 200 million Muslims in this country that the BJP is trying to ostracize, including my friend.
But what are you doing to the Muslims within your own party, Ashwini ji? आप उनको भी नहीं बोलने देते हो. Rashid Alvi ji, Shakil Ahmed ji, where are they going to join the BJP?
We are just very scared.
Navika ji, Congress is 100% democratic party. It allows people to have difference of opinion and still exist in Congress. Having said that, if someone leaves Congress and join BJP, that means they have killed
North Korea भी democratic लगाता है नाम में. Ashwini,
which is against Godse, a party which is of Gandhiwadi. When they go and join BJP, join hands with BJP,
Rahul Gandhiwadi,
understand their moral integrity.
Ashwini, even North Korea calls itself democratic, by the way. So North Korea जैसा democracy है आपके यहाँ पे, ये मैं मानता हूँ.
Shekhar Iyer, I don't know how many decades between you and me. I think a century of experience of covering these political parties. Between us, I think we will have 100 years, if not just getting there very soon. Shekhar Iyer, ये क्या कह रहे हैं? Congress party is a democratic party. And now what we are witnessing with Shakil Ahmed and Rashid Alvi साहब, die hard congressmen. इनको अगर काटो तो इनका जो अगर थोड़ा सा भी खून का डॉट निकलेगा वो कांग्रेस 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 बोलेगा. उनको ये कह रहे हैं कि ये बीजेपी जा रहे हैं. Is that the only defense they have?
नाविका जी, अश्विनी जी का तपस अभी वहां तक नहीं पहुंचा जहां शकील अहमद का हो गया है. सारे साधना करके तपस करके फिर वो यहाँ पर पहुंचे. जोक्स अपार्ट, द सीरियसली see all these leaders, even Tariq Anwar was also very upset, and those who have known Tariq Anwar, he has been personally expressing the kind of things that has happened and how the whole Bihar election was messed up. See, the fact is today Rahul Gandhi is guided by a set of aides who do not listen to the feedback that is coming, do not listen to the senior leaders, and whether it is not just about selection of candidates, about everything. So therefore, those who are still opposed to BJP have to keep on supporting the Congress. That's all. But everybody knows, even you showed Madikam Thakur. Madikam Thakur will be the next in that list. If Congress goes ahead and seals with the DMK a poor deal. He has been rooting that they should dump DMK and go with actor Vijay. So the people whom you are showing today, they will be tomorrow's Jaychans because the way it is going. So but the
absolutely, but serious. There has to be an explanation why the Congress is against Congress. The Congress is against the alliance partner. The Congress is against everything that makes them viable in politics. Why, Ashwini Mishra? Do you like losing?
Navika ji, I am repeating again, Congress has representation across religions, across beliefs, across language, across regions. Everyone has a room in Congress, but they all bound by one single ideology, which is Gandhi.
But does Congress have room in the country?
If anyone leaves Gandhi,
that is what I'm asking. Is Congress becoming extinct in the country, Shehzad Poonawalla? कितनी सीटें हैं बिहार में, यूपी में? Please, can you count?
हाल ही में एक बर्थडे में गया था, वहाँ पे डायनासोर लगे थे. मैंने सोचा डायनासोर वापस आ सकता है, कांग्रेस वापस नहीं आ सकती. और मैंने संजय भाई को
That's not true. Never live in that illusion, my friend Shehzad Poonawalla. That is the beginning of the end in politics.
Navika, I want to give one good advice. संजय को मैंने पहले भी दिया कि constitute board of peace within Congress. Sanjay will head the board of peace and he will do peace between Shashi Tharoor and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra, then DK Shiv Kumar and Siddaramaiah, उनका भी झगड़ा चल रहा है. Then Pratibha ji and Sukhu ji. तो board of peace बना लो, मतलब PEAC, not PIC. Please. ये वरना आपको लगेगा पीसेस का बोर्ड बना लो. पीस, बोर्ड ऑफ पीस आप अपना बना लो. हैं?
चाची मत बनो, अपना घर संभालो, दूसरे घर
चाची
में मत झांको।
ये देखो ये अरे आप इतना मतलब महिलाओं को क्यों बदनाम कर रहे हैं? ये महिलाओं के खिलाफ टिप्पणी की इन्होंने। चाची का क्या मतलब है भाई? चाचा भी ऐसे बोलते हैं, चाचा भी ऐसे बोल सकते हैं।
But on a serious note, Sanjay Jha, in the recent past, after all, what is Rashid Alvi saying? Rashid Alvi is making a very important political point. In the recent elections, you've seen both in Bihar and in Maharashtra elections, the strike rate of Asaduddin Owaisi is better than the Congress party. Now, please look who you are getting compared to. Asaduddin's party was seen as a fringe party, chote stakes, chota presence, Congress is a national party. But he alone in his party has beaten you in Bihar and in Maharashtra. Rashid Alvi is pointing to that. If you think that Muslims are a vote bank that will stay with you forever, well, they have the options of going to other places which they are going. Isn't that something that is political sense that he's speaking for the Congress's own improvement?
Absolutely. And Navika, let me add a point. The average Hindu in this country is a very tolerant, inclusive person who wants India to always be united and syncretic. If the Congress party embraces secularism and says with pride, yes, BJP, you can call me a Muslim party. Let Shehzad Poonawala come on a program and call me a minority person or minority appeasement and just pro-Muslim. But I will be proud enough to answer him to say I'm doing what any citizen should do, is to protect the vulnerable and the weak and the minority.
Well,
the Congress does not speak in the
be
language.
Be pro everybody, my friend, and that is true secularism. Be inclusive. That is true secularism. The problem with the Congress party, even with you, Sanjay Jha, is you are patronizing. You are patronizing to certain vote banks, the Muslim vote bank. And those people are now getting up and saying, we don't want to be patronized. Abdul Abdari nahi bichhayega. वो अपनी कुर्सी खुद लगाएगा, खुद बैठेगा. The message completely lost on the Congress party. Instead, what are they doing? Shooting their own. People who have Congress in their heart are being shot at. Will you call that political expedience? Well, maybe in Rahul Gandhi's lexicon, the rest of the country can see what's going on in the Congress party. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour at night. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.